Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 FA507 and what's inside of it. To take this laptop apart, you need to undo 12 Phillips head screws. The one on the bottom right corner remains attached and provides a slight gap where you can start the prying process. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Inside, we see a rather big 90 watt-hours battery pack. It lasted us more than 14 hours of web browsing or about 11 hours of video playback. To continue the disassembly process, unplug the battery connector from the motherboard, and undo all 3 Phillips head screws that hold the unit to the chassis. To access upgrade options, you need to remove the insulation strip. Underneath, you will find a couple of SODIMM slots, which fit DDR5 RAM modules. Storage-wise, there are two M.2 PCIe X4 slots, which support Gen 4 drives. In terms of cooling, there are 2 heat pipes shared between the CPU and the GPU with one more dedicated to each of them. A 5th one takes care of the graphics memory and the VRMs. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.